This is the iPhone XR, and apparently, according to some people, this is depressing, and this phone is not good. Well, today I'm here to unbox it and hopefully show you guys what kind of phone this actually is. So, the XR is actually one of the better phones of this year in my opinion, and hear me out. I understand that it only has it doesn't have a full 1080p resolution display, and there's a lot of things you might consider a compromise. But the thing is, the compromises where you believe that have been taken, I think that there's a lot of spaces where there aren't compromises, which people seem to ignore, and it's just crazy to me. Now, $750 for this might be, I'd say $50 a little bit much than it should be, but still at $750, this is the best iPhone you can buy right now if you're trying to stay under $1,000, because the XS is above $1,000, whatever you do. Even the base model is $1,000, and with tax, that goes above $1,000. So this is the iPhone XR, 128 gigs in product red. Now, I brought the product red because I think that this combination looks the best. Now, it's very subjective from person to person which color looks the best, but black and white are a little bit too normal-ish, is what I'd say. They look very standard. There's nothing exciting about them, but this red looks really good. The coral yellow and blue are okay, but I think that they're a little bit too loud for me. I prefer something a little bit more subtle, and this is exactly that. So let's look at the box, and this is a really nice box. It's way better than the iPhone XS Max for sure. You guys can see that the iPhone it's all written in red, and this text is actually reflective, so it changes color. Really nice. Same with the Apple logo, product red, and red iPhone on top, red wallpaper. Overall, just a really nice looking package. So, without wasting time, let's get right to unboxing it, and the pull tab as usual. Alright, comes right out. And let's lift up the box. Okay, so we are greeted by a red piece of paper. Product red, of course. Hello, of course. SIM card tool, yes. Apple stickers, and the usual literature here. Alright, let's put this to the side and look at the XR. So I was using this in store for a while before I actually picked it up, before I made the decision to buy it. And the thing is, right now there's some really good deals going on with buyback. So if you have an iPhone 6s or 7, they're paying really, really well for buying those back and buying one of the newer devices. And this red looks so good. Oh my god. It looked good in the store, but in my hand it just looks even better. Oh wow. And then the black front, it just overall such a cool looking phone. Wow. The aluminum as well, it looks so good because it's like this frosted. It looks like it's almost frosted, and I love the finish of the aluminum. This and the black one are the darkest bands. All the other aluminum frames are just very light colored. This one looks so good. It's perfect. I think this is one of the best looking iPhones of this year. The gold one, the gold XS and XS Max look really good too, but this one looks amazing. Alright, so as you can see, this is one of the only iPhones that has product red here because it is the product red. Every other XR and iPhone X will just have the iPhone mark over here, Apple. So this is a nice red. I'd call this like cherry red or candy apple red, somewhere there. It's a really nice, dark, deep red. The silver Apple logo and the silver iPhone text just really make the phone stand out. Let me put this to the side. Again, no fast charger. Not a surprise. No headphone jack adapter, just the lightning headphones, and the cable as usual. So that's the usual Apple shtick here. Nothing that surprising. All right, so the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm going to take off the plastic. I'm going to try to keep it a little bit towards the mic. Okay. Man, every time I do that, it just, I can't get over that sound and that satisfying feel. So this is really nice, and I love the way it looks, and definitely gonna be something I'm very interested in, mainly the camera. This one is supposed to have just as good as the camera as the XS and XS Max. We're just missing that dual camera system, but I think that's going to make it a very interesting matchup with the the Google Pixel, which is also a single lens camera system. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think about the iPhone XR. I know a lot of people have been really judging this phone a little bit too much. I feel like you should have, you have to try it for yourself before you say anything. The screen, I was using it in store, and I'll be very honest with you guys, it looks really good. I mean, I could not tell that it was not a 1080p screen. It looked very nice, looked almost similar to every other iPhone I've used. I mean, obviously you can tell when there's not as deep as a black with the OLED panel, but as an LCD, it looked just as good as everything else, and that's just impressive. So definitely a great phone, and I will be making a bunch of videos with this very soon. So let me know if you want to see anything in particular with the iPhone XR. And that wraps it up for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.